Good afternoon, everyone. सारे सो गए. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
That is better. Professor A.K. Khare, Dr. D.N. Rao, Shri Narhari Sharma ji, Dr. Dinesh Goyal, other faculty colleagues here in this hall, the members of my fraternity, the teachers, invited participants, staff, students, ladies and gentlemen. It is my privilege to be here today amongst you, in fact, and I feel a great privilege has been a great honor for me to be invited to this by none other than Khare has been a mentor actually to me. और मैं ये समझता हूँ कि जिंदगी में अगर मुझे कुछ मिला है तो वो उनकी एसोसिएशन से मिला है, उनकी गाइडेंस में मिला है. जो कुछ भी आज मैं हूँ काफ़ी उसका श्रेय प्रोफेसर खरे को जाता है. बिकॉज जब मैंने अपनी शुरू की थी लाइफ, आई वॉज ए लेक्चरर एंड बिकेम असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर. तो ये हमारे हेड डिपार्टमेंट थे, मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग डिपार्टमेंट में, और इन्होंने तो हाथ पकड़ पकड़ के काम कराना सिखा दिया था. और when he was talking about me, I was feeling slightly embarrassed because all actually what he said, I owe it to him. And most of them are technological issues. All of you are associated with technology and development of technology. And therefore, it is important that the challenges which we face today probably are different than the challenges which my generation faced. You are working in an age, you are working in an era which will be faced by you when you ultimately go into the field and try to solve those problems. You require new tools, you require new techniques, you require new competencies, you require new skills actually. And how do you gain it? Every problem, every issue which you will be facing has to be recognized, this has to be analyzed, it has to be understood. And as such, how do you keep yourself in such a position that you are always a good learner? Not only that, you need to have creative thinking. You need to look at, you need to use that wisdom which you have gained in the institution in creating new things, because the role of an engineer is nothing but to create new things from the resources which are available at very economical cost. And if we do that, it is important that we must be innovative and learn the skills which help us in developing the innovations, developing new things which can be considered to be innovative. It could be a process, it could be organizational structure, or it could be a product itself, in fact. So therefore, you also need to communicate very well, both with your seniors and with your workers from whom you have to get work done. Unless that is very clear, you will not be in a position to achieve what you want to achieve. You must have capacity to learn quickly, ability to capture knowledge, upgrade that knowledge very frequently, and above all else, in fact, the most important thing for you is to create new knowledge. आज से जो 50 साल पहले या 40 साल पहले या 30 साल पहले जो नॉलेज होती थी वो आज ऑब्सलीट हो गई है. And what is that new knowledge which needs to be created today, which will be useful for future, will become the most important thing for all of you. you need to be aware of what is happening around. You need to understand that not only awareness, you need to be awakened with the things, the issues which are facing the society. You need to have a commitment to solve those problems, and unless you understand that commitment is very important for you to solve the problem of others. बाकी लोग तो अपने लिए काम करते हैं, इंजीनियर दूसरों के लिए काम करता है. जिस आदमी ने जहाज बनाया है वो खुद कभी शायद उस पर चढ़ता नहीं है, लेकिन बाकियों के कंफर्ट के लिए वो करता है. You make dams, you make powerhouses, you make trains, and this is for others. So the role of an engineer is in fact to understand others' issues, and therefore how do we solve those issues in fact has become the most, who has a character, and character with a value system such that he is bothered about the comfort level of others actually, not for, and therefore our role as teachers is much larger in fact than what we do in the classroom. We have to really be the role model for our students so that they learn that how things have to be done. Having said this again, now let us look at outside world, the industry. They employ the capacity, they have the competency, they have the skills which are required by the industry, which is very, very important. There is no substitute to the hard work, in fact, with what you need to do. And serious thinking, which is coupled with sustained effort, will help us in reaching that goal of becoming a useful engineer in the society.